So which way are we headed now? Which way are we headed for the place?
Gotta ask him. I mean, I know
Angel.
The trail walk is going this way.
Which way are we headed now?
Huh?
From here, which way?
I've never rode this truck.
Oh shit, okay. Bet. Okay. That's all I was gonna ask and see if we put on the GPS.
So look, this is Losi right here, bro.
So it should just be up Losi to Cheyenne. That's Losi, right?
This is Losi right here, yeah.
Alright, so we just let's go up Losi.
Losi and Alexander.
We could just keep going straight down.
This is Losi and Alexander right here.
Alright.
Yeah, we just go straight down and we'll...
I'm at 75. I'm good. I ain't worried.
Yeah, well, we're
I got pedals too, so
We're like down the...
I'll burn off whatever I eat, you know?
Let me see, oh shit, I'm good. I'm at like 90.
Alright.
We're down the street though, we just gotta keep going forward.
Alright, you lead then. Let us go.